Hi everyone, Mr. Dubik here, just checking in with everyone, seeing how everyone is doing. Can't believe it already, but it's week 3 of virtual online learning. Hopefully everyone had a great spring break and you're ready to continue learning online. I just want to go over a couple of things before I continue on my just short little demonstration video here on what you guys need to complete these next couple of days. But this is a quarter 3 overview. Grades are due April 21st, so please make sure you double check your grades, make sure they're all good and all of your assignments are all turned in. Now, what was due for the first week of virtual online learning? And that is your week 1 exit tickets. There was 5 of them, and the total point value is 25 points. It's 5 points for each exit ticket. Please make sure you get those done. There's an exit ticket for each lesson that was due for every day of that week. Okay, so again, 5 exit tickets worth 25 total points. And then also you guys had to complete the Avenue for Understanding, which is worth 20 total points. Okay, and that was a 150 to 250 word short response. Okay, and essentially what you had to do for that was you had to pick a particular topic that we've covered already in class and relate it to the subject of biology. All right. And the reason why I'm going over this is because it's so imperative. These 2 assignments right here are going to be factored into your quarter 3 grade. So please make sure you go ahead, if you haven't already done so, and submit these assignments. Complete them and submit them. They have a good point value to them, and really the intent is to help boost your grade up. Okay, I would hate to see you guys kind of have these assignments weigh your overall grade for quarter 3 down. So again, turn these assignments in. They're not hard. They're here to help improve your scores. Also, I want to kind of just show you a little bit of a breakdown of your final grade and how it is going to be calculated for this half of the year. So your quarter 3 grade is going to be worth 75% of your overall grade, and your quarter 4 grade is going to be worth 25% of your overall grade. So that's a huge difference right here, and that's why I'm kind of harping on your exit tickets and your Avenue for Understanding, because your quarter 3 overall grade is worth 75% of your final grade or your overall grade in the class. So please make sure you get these assignments in so you can improve your quarter 3 grade, because it's weighed much more than your quarter 4 grade. So it's imperative that you get that done. Now I'm going to show you where you can find your week 1 exit tickets as well as your Avenue for Understanding so that everybody can submit them and turn them in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Schoology, and I'm just going to go home real quick, and I'm going to click on a class here. Okay, and I'm going to, right off the bat on your home page, you should see the quarter 3 Avenue for Understanding. Okay, I have uploaded here the Google Doc for the assignment, so you're going to click on that, and then this document should pop up. Okay, so right here I give you an overview, the directions for the assignment, and how you are going to go ahead and complete it and where you need to turn it in. Okay, here are the listed topics that we have already covered in class. Okay, and then what you're going to do is you're going to pick a particular topic here, and then you're going to relate that topic on how it relates to biology. All right, maybe there was a cool demonstration that we went over. Maybe there was a really fun lab. I saw a lot of people talking about macromolecules and digestion and how that relates to biology and how we use food for energy. So that was great to see. But again, that's what you're doing, and you're doing a short response in 125 to 150 words. Okay, make sure it's well written, and if it's done correctly, you receive 20 total points. Okay, here's kind of some thoughts that I figured would really help you get rolling with your short response. I have a sentence starter here that you can use to start off your short response, and then kind of some ideas on how to formulate your response. Okay, so again, it's a small assignment for quarter 3. Please make sure you get it done for those who have not already. Okay, that's where you find that, and when you're done, you're going to go back to Schoology and you're going to submit it right in here. Okay, so that's your quarter 3 Avenue for Understanding. Now I'm going to show you where to find your exit tickets. So for week 1, you're going to go into the cells folder, Okay, and then you're going to go to virtual learning week 1 lessons and materials, and here's all the materials that you need. So if you look here, you have cell membrane exit ticket, you have cell organelle, so this is going to be your first one, so that's your first exit ticket. Then you have another, your cell membrane, that's your second. You have your cell membrane passive transport exit ticket, and then 2 others are going to be on the worksheet that I shared with all of you. Okay, so please make sure you get those exit tickets done. It's imperative that you guys get that done. Okay, and if you go ahead, and I'll just click on one to show you, but again, you enter your name, you answer the questions, and then you hit submit. Simple as that. All right, so please make sure you get those done. So I just wanted to show everyone how you go ahead and submit that. So now what I really created this video for was to show you and introduce you to week 3. So week 3 is actually where we're going to be starting a new unit, unit 4, which is energy processes. And the main 2 topics, the big picture topics that we're going to be exploring here in unit 4 is photosynthesis and cell respiration. And again, photosynthesis is how plants convert light energy into chemical energy, aka sugars, so that they can use those sugars, glucose, and convert that those glucose molecules into ATP so that they can function. So that's really photosynthesis. And then also we're going to be taking a look at cell respiration, and that's what animals use to get their energy. And essentially it's ingesting food, digesting food, breaking it down into those important macromolecules, those monomers, so that we can use that energy to make ATP for our cells so we can function. So that's the unit we're moving into. And I want to go down here to Thursday, which is tomorrow, 4/16. Now for Thursday, which is tomorrow, okay, you need to watch a recorded lesson. I shared this with everyone. It's in a MP4 format, so you're going to go ahead and watch that. I shared it with everyone. If you have any troubles, please make sure that you email me right away. As you watch that, you're going to download and make your own copy of the Structure of a Leaf guided notes. Please make sure you get that done. Again, anywhere where you find a red line, please fill in those notes. That's the important information I want you to kind of take home with you. I have the document here for you. After you have watched the video and taken really good notes, then you're going to go ahead and you're going to complete the photosynthesis what's in a leaf worksheet. All right. Please make sure that you understand that this worksheet right here is going to be submitted to Schoology and it's going to be turned in for a grade. So make sure you do a nice job at that. And then once you've mastered photosynthesis and the structure of a leaf, what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead, upload this document right here, the Structure of a Leaf worksheet. You're going to complete it, and again you're going to submit it to Schoology for a graded assignment for quarter 4. So now all this content right here, these 2 worksheets, are going to be quarter 4 grades. All right, so I'm going to show you what these documents look like. So this is the first one I would like you to complete after taking your guided notes. Again, you have diagrams here. It's pretty well broken down. Okay, simple hints here. Use the diagram. Okay, answer the questions here. Look at the arrows, what's going in and out. More questions here. Here's the structure of a leaf. This is a cross section. So essentially what you're doing here is you're cutting a leaf in half and then you're looking at the insides. Okay, you're going to talk about the layers of the leaf and how they allow the plant to go through photosynthesis. So after you're done this worksheet, you're going to go ahead and submit it to Schoology. Also, you have this leaf structure review worksheet. Now, this image right here, I want you to label. So based on the structure of a leaf, you're going to go ahead and label this by clicking the text box and then filling in your answers there based on the different layers of the leaf and the structures of the leaf. Next, you have a matching section. Again, essentially what this part is this is all functions. Next, you have a short response question, and it's breaking down the difference between the xylem and the phloem, which are found in the main central vein. Okay, and again, they're going to act as the transportation system, and you'll learn about that in the video. Okay, so once you have done a really nice job, you've completed this assignment, you're going to submit it to Schoology. Now, where in Schoology? So I'm going to go back to your courses to show everyone where you do this. Okay, I created a new folder because it's a new unit, energy processes. Okay, then what you're going to do is you have two assignments here. What is in a Leaf worksheet? Okay, I've also included and uploaded the video, or the the worksheet in here. So you're going to click on that. All right, and then what you're going to do is after you've completed, you're going to submit it. Okay, same thing for the other worksheet. So energy process, structure of a Leaf review. Okay, I've also uploaded that document. Click on it when you're done filling in, submit it. Okay, again, both of those assignments are going to be due, if you see here, Friday, April 17th at midnight. Okay, so that is this Friday at midnight. Okay, so I'm giving you 2 days to complete these assignments. Please make sure you get them done. All right, if you have any other questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm always here to help. I miss you guys, and I miss you guys teaching you guys in the classroom. So again, any questions you have, please feel free, contact me. I'm here to help in any way. All right, good luck.